What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another edition of ClearCryptos Education with myself, T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's up? What's up?
Now, in this video, we discuss the Relative Strength Index. That is also known as the RSI. Now, the RSI, again, by itself, just like we said in previous videos, by itself is an indicator. Now, it is not the only indicator you should use in your trading strategy. However, it is definitely an indicator that you want to have in your trading profile. Now, what is the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index? If we look over here to Investopedia, Investopedia defines the Relative Strength Index as a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. RSI measures the speed and magnitude of a security or crypto recent price changes to evaluate overvalued, undervalued conditions in the price of that security. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator or a line graph. On a scale of 0 to 100, the indicator was developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr. and introduced in his seminal 1978 book, New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. So as you can see, 1978, not that long, but it's out today, right? Now here's the important part. The RSI can do more than point to overbought and oversold securities. It can also indicate securities that may be primed for a trend reversal or corrective pullback in price. It can signal when to buy and sell. Traditionally, here's the big part, an RSI reading of 70 or above indicates an overbought situation, whereas a reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold condition. Now, what does all that mean? That's why I brought my man Jay Seals here with me, so he can break down via the chart where you can find the RSI, how to use the RSI, and what it actually means in regards to your trading strategy. So without further ado, Jay Seals, take it away, good sir.
All right, thanks for that. All right, so we're going to go to Tradingview, and we are going to go over to the Indicators tab right over here where it says Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies, and we're going to go to Technicals. Now, once we get to Technicals, we want to make sure that we're on Indicators, and we can just type in RSI, and the Relative Strength Index pulls up right at the top. And so I'll go ahead and click on that, exit out, and then we have the RSI right here, and this is on the ETH chart that we're looking at right now. So as you can see, we have the RSI, we have the 14, which is the period, so it's tracked over a 14-day period. And then we have our smooth moving average, or our SMA. So our smooth moving average is going to be our yellow line, and you can see that it smoothly runs through the RSI indicator, and then our actual RSI indicator is our purple line. So the chart goes from 70 with this line here to 30. And so like T. Hobbs said earlier, when we're in 70, we are overbought. And when the RSI is below the 30, then we are oversold. So if we come back over here to ETH on the 1st of August, we can see that we were oversold right here. So we crossed below the 30 threshold, and our RSI came all the way down to about 19. And then to the flip side, if we come over here, just a couple hours later, we were overbought. The RSI was barely over 70. So we can tell whether we're in overbought or oversold condition by looking at our purple RSI line. Now, there's also another trading strategy you can use to find trend reversals early, to spot, if we're coming up on a move to the upside. It's a little bit hard to find. It's called a divergence between the RSI and price. So it's a little bit tough to find. It's a little bit more of an advanced strategy. However, if you can spot it when it's happening, it can be very powerful. And I'm going to show you an example right now. So if we take right here, ETH came down, it made a low, and then it made a lower low here. So I'm going to mark this right here with the lower low. Oops, This does not want to work for me. There we go. Now, if we come over to the RSI, right here is the same period where we made our first low, and then we came up and we made a higher low. So if I can mark this, it's gonna cooperate with me right there. So here we're coming down, here we're coming up, and you can see that the price of Ethereum shot up after we had this divergence between price and our RSI. So that's just one strategy that you can use if you actually do catch it as an early indicator that price is going to reverse to the upside. It's a great way to use the RSI as a trading strategy, along with using other indicators in your toolbox. And we've gone over a few now that you can use to combine to make a sound trading strategy.
Yeah, very nice, man. And again, I don't really have much to add to that. RSI is pretty cut and dry. If you looked at any of our other videos on the MACD and other indicators, RSI is probably one of the easier ones to understand. Again, always make sure you make a sound decision based off multiple indicators. You don't want to just depend on one or the other one. You want to be able to look at multiple indicators, therefore making a better decision in trading. Now, in regards to RSI, that is all we have when it comes to the relative strength index. If you guys have any questions, please post them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the ClearCryptos channel for more educational videos such as this one. But my name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man up there is Jay Seals. This is the ClearCryptos education channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.